Hey everyone, welcome back to Capital Insights, where we delve into the world of investing, technology, and market trends. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest insights. Hi, I'm Jason, and today we are tackling a hot topic in the EV world. Will Fisker be the next Tesla? As electric vehicles continue to revolutionize the automotive industry, Fisker has emerged as a promising contender. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of Fisker's potential and how it compares to Tesla. Let's dive in. To understand if Fisker can be the next Tesla, we need to start with some background on both companies. Tesla, founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, and later joined by Elon Musk, had a clear mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Despite numerous challenges, Tesla disrupted the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles, cutting-edge battery technology, and a robust charging infrastructure. The Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y have set new standards for EV performance and range. Fisker Inc., founded by Henrik Fisker in 2016, aims to produce sustainable electric vehicles with a focus on design and affordability. Henrik Fisker is no stranger to the automotive world. He previously co-founded Fisker Automotive, which produced the Karma, one of the first plug-in hybrid vehicles. However, Fisker Automotive faced financial difficulties and went bankrupt in 2013. Fisker Inc. is the rebirth of Henrik Fisker's vision, with new strategies and ambitions. So how does Fisker plan to succeed where it previously stumbled? And can it truly rival Tesla's dominance in the EV market? Fisker's new strategy is centered around affordability, sustainability, and innovative design. Let's break this down. One of Fisker's key strategies is to make electric vehicles more affordable. The Fisker Ocean, an all-electric SUV, is positioned as a mass-market vehicle with a starting price of around $37,500, which is significantly lower than many of Tesla's models. By targeting a broad audience, Fisker aims to capture a significant market share. Fisker is also heavily focused on sustainability. The Fisker Ocean features a range of eco-friendly materials, including recycled plastics and vegan leather. The company is committed to reducing its carbon footprint throughout the vehicle's life cycle, from production to disposal. Henrik Fisker is known for his design prowess. The Fisker Ocean boasts a sleek, modern design with features like a solar roof, which can provide additional range by harnessing solar energy. This not only enhances the vehicle's sustainability but also offers a unique selling point. One of Fisker's most innovative approaches is its flexible leasing model. Unlike traditional car leases, Fisker offers a month-to-month lease with no long-term commitment. This model appeals to consumers looking for flexibility and lower upfront costs. But affordability and design are only part of the equation. To truly rival Tesla, Fisker needs to excel in technology and infrastructure. Tesla's success is not just about its cars. It's also about the technology and the infrastructure that supports them. Let's see how Fisker compares. Tesla has a significant edge in battery technology, thanks to its partnership with Panasonic and advancements in its gigafactories. Fisker, on the other hand, is partnering with CATL, a leading battery manufacturer, to develop its battery packs. Fisker is also exploring solid-state battery technology, which promises higher energy density and faster charging times. However, this technology is still in the development phase. Tesla's supercharger network is one of its biggest advantages, providing fast and reliable charging across the globe. Fisker plans to leverage existing third-party charging networks like Electrify America rather than building its own. This strategy reduces upfront costs, but may pose challenges in terms of charging speed and availability. Autonomous driving is another critical area. Tesla's full self-driving system is one of the most advanced in the industry. Fisker has announced plans to include advanced driver assistance systems in its vehicles, but it remains to be seen if they can match Tesla's capabilities. Financial stability and market position are crucial for any company aspiring to be the next Tesla. Let's take a closer look at Fisker's financial health and market strategy. Fisker went public in October 2020 through a special purpose acquisition company merger, raising significant capital to fund its operations and growth plans. This influx of cash is crucial for ramping up production and scaling the business. Fisker is focusing on strategic partnerships to reduce costs and accelerate development. For instance, its partnership with Magna International, a leading automotive supplier, to manufacture the Fisker Ocean, allows Fisker to leverage Magna's manufacturing expertise and facilities. Unlike traditional automakers, Fisker is embracing a direct-to-consumer sales model. Similar to Tesla, this approach reduces the need for dealerships, lowering costs and providing a more streamlined customer experience. While these strategies are promising, there are still challenges and uncertainties ahead. No company is without its challenges, and Fisker is no exception. Here are some of the key risks and the hurdles Fisker faces on its path to becoming the next Tesla. Scaling production is one of the biggest challenges for any new automaker. Fisker needs to ensure a smooth production ramp up for the Ocean and future models. Any delays or supply chain disruptions could impact its ability to meet demand and achieve profitability. The EV market is becoming increasingly crowded, with established automakers and new startups vying for a share of the pie. Companies like Rivian, Lucid Motors, and the traditional giants like Ford and GM are all investing heavily in electric vehicles. Fisker needs to differentiate itself and carve out a niche to succeed. Advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving are critical for Fisker's success. While the company is making strides, it needs to catch up with Tesla's lead in these areas to remain competitive. Building a strong brand and gaining market acceptance takes time. Fisker needs to deliver on its promises and build a loyal customer base. Any negative publicity or product issues could harm its reputation. Despite these challenges, there are several opportunities that Fisker can leverage to accelerate its growth. Let's explore some of the opportunities that Fisker can capitalize on to enhance its chances of success. Fisker has plans to expand its product lineup beyond the ocean. Upcoming models like the Fisker Personal Electric Automotive Revolution aim to offer even more affordable EV options, targeting a broader market segment. Expanding into international markets presents a significant growth opportunity for Fisker. Europe and China in particular are key markets with strong demand for electric vehicles. Fisker is exploring subscription-based services, allowing customers to access different models and features for a monthly fee. This flexible ownership model could attract a new segment of customers who prefer not to commit to traditional car ownership. Fisker's focus on strategic partnerships can help accelerate its growth. Collaborations with technology companies, battery suppliers, and manufacturing partners can enhance its capabilities and competitiveness. So, will Fisker be the next Tesla? Let's summarize and draw some conclusions. Fisker has a clear vision and strategy, focusing on affordability, sustainability, and innovative design. Its flexible leasing model and direct-to-consumer sales approach offer unique advantages. However, challenges in production, technology, and competition remain significant hurdles. While it's unlikely that any company will replicate Tesla's exact trajectory, Fisker has the potential to carve out its own path and become a major player in the EV market. The key will be execution, delivering on its promises and navigating the complex landscape of the automotive industry. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Fisker's potential to be the next Tesla. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Capital Insights for more in-depth analysis and investing insights. Until next time, happy investing. See you next time on Capital Insights.